All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash bed sheets in your washing machine. I'm going to show you how to wash bed sheets, also called the bedding inside of a washing machine. I'm going to show you, go through the steps and process. The one thing I have to do is, first you have to have the bedding. So I have my bed sheets right here. I have the pillowcases off. I have the fitted sheet and the unfitted sheet off. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the bedding or the bed sheets inside of the washing machine. Right here, I have a front loading washing machine. It's a Samsung washing machine. Now, if I have laundry detergent pods, I will just place the pod in there immediately, right in the drum. I don't put it into the drawer unless the washing machine allows me to, says that I can put a washing pod, laundry washing pod inside of there. But this one does not. So if I had one, I'd place it in there. But if I don't, I will add detergent to the drawer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the bedding or the bed sheets within inside of the washing machine. All right. After I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and close this. Then I'm going to go ahead and power it on, turn it on. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add detergent. So right here, there are different compartments. They have a bleach compartment in the back for adding bleach. If you add bleach, if you have white bed sheets, that may be an option for you if the label on the bedding says that it is allowed. There is a fabric softener compartment for those of you who like to use fabric softener. And actually, I'm going to add some fabric softener to this. Fabric softener I'm going to use is called Attitude. It's a fabric softener, and it's supposed to be hypoallergenic. Right here, unscented. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that to it after I've added the detergent. In this compartment right here, it says main wash. This is where you add detergent. Now, you can add powder or you can add liquid. For right here, I am going to add powder detergent to this right here. So I'm gonna go down here, and what detergent I'm gonna use that I like to use is Tide. I'm tired of doing laundry. So this is the laundry detergent I'm going to use right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the appropriate amount. And here it says do it for the line 2, I believe, for a regular load. I'm going to do that, maybe a little bit more. It's important that you read the instructions on the detergent so you know how much exactly. So on this right here, I'm going to add just enough for a normal load, add the detergent to the detergent compartment. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add the fabric softener. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit inside of the cup. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right there where it belongs, right in there. So once I have that into place, I'm going to go ahead and shut the drawer. Just like that. And then I'm going to make a selection on what type of wash that I would use. So there's a lot of different options on here. You have rinse, spin, allergen, sanitize, heavy duty, normal, quick wash, permanent press, delicate, and look at that. They have bedding. This particular wash machine has a bedding option on it. But if you don't have a bedding option, it's always safe to go with the normal wash under warm or cold water, hot water only if it allows it to on the labeling of the particular fabric. Usually do extra rinse just to make sure it's rinsed pretty well. And a normal soil level, normal spin, temperature, yada yada. And then I would go ahead and press start to do that. But I have a bedding setting. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select bedding right there. Okay. I selected bedding and it goes to it. And so this particular wash machine has it geared towards bedding with this cycle right here for the best wash with bedding. So it has it on it. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and do the extra rinse with this one as well. I'm going to do the warm temperature. It has a setting of low spin, and it does that to preserve the integrity of the fabric within the bedding. But I'm going to take it up to medium right there, okay? And I'm going to use the soil level at normal, and then I am going to start. And just like that, that is how you wash bed sheets in a washing machine, or how you wash bedding in a washing machine. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.